Hey, what's up everyone, Instinct here, and recently I got myself a new hydration system from Camelbak, namely the Camelbak Mil Spec Crux, and as for today we will be reviewing this product. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, head over to ReconBrothers.com for our monthly giveaways, and have a look at shop.ReconBrothers.com for your Camelbak products. Now let's jump into the specs of this product. So what makes this one different compared to the previous Camelbak models? Well, this one has the latest hydration technology and it delivers 25% more water with each sip. This specific one is the 1.5 liter version, weighs 220 grams and it fits perfectly in my TT Tac Pouch 11, which I carry on the back of my plate carrier. The Camelbak Mil Spec Crux series comes in different volumes and models. To see which one fits your application best, go have a look at the shop. Another very interesting specification of the Mil Spec Crux series is that it has a silver ion hydro guard embedded into the polyurethane of the reservoir, as well as on the surfaces of the tube. This reduces the growth of bacteria that cause odors, discoloration and deterioration, but it doesn't prevent the growth of bacteria that cause diseases. For this, it's recommended to clean the Camelbak after every usage. The hydro guard technology can't be removed since it's part of the polyurethane. That being said, let's go over to the features. Let's first have a look at the reservoir itself, which is made of a polyurethane film which is PBS, PBA and PBF free. The material makes it very strong, very lightweight and hard to puncture. The edges of this Camelbak are radio frequency welded, which make it actually the strongest part of the bag itself. This of course to prevent leakages. The Camelbak features an ergonomic filling handle for comfortable and easy filling. Furthermore, the Camelbak features a cap that is 84 mm wide, which makes it easy to clean or to fill it. The cap is made of soft and hard plastic injected into a single mold, whereas the soft plastic becomes the seal of the bag, this to prevent the use of separate O-rings that could possibly get lost. The cap only requires half a clockwise turn to fully seal the bag. At the bottom of the reservoir we find a quick link system, which is used to link tubes, mouthpieces or even filters. It is very easy in use and secure as well. In addition to that, when something gets detached, it doesn't leak water. So this fully covers the reservoir, and the next thing is a tube. The tube itself is 110 cm long and features an insulated tube cover. This to prevent damaging the tube by harmful UV rays and keep the water on temperature. It also features a very grippy inside material, so it does keep its place very well onto the tube. This is a nice addition since other tube covers often lose their spot. Near the mouthpiece at the end of the tube it features a hydro lock, which is a lever that can be operated with one hand to open or shut the water flow. It feels like a very sturdy built system that can handle a beating. That being said, let's have a look at the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece itself is also attached with a quick link system to the tube. It has a very simple but effective build, which is made of a soft plastic that is very sturdy as well. The drinking cap is easy to open and keeps the port clean and leak proof. On the inside is a self-sealing biting valve. When biting it allows you to drink, and when you stop it automatically seals to prevent dripping. The mouthpiece itself can be rotated 360 degrees, which makes it easy in use. And that covers up the whole drinking system. Hydration has become a standard necessity for what we do, and hydration systems like these make it very easy to access our water on the go. This Camelbak can be used until it's basically fully empty, which is an advantage to other drinking systems. Also, thanks to the technology used in this Camelbak, there is a very minor chance on leakages. We had some mouthpieces fail us in the last couple of years, and though this one is fairly new to us, by looking at its design we can already tell it's going to last much longer. The hydrolock system is the most easy open-close system I've used thus far, and unlike others we've used, this one doesn't seem to have any problems with being stuck. To give you guys an idea of the 25% more water per sip, drinking from this Camelbak feels more like drinking from a glass than drinking through a straw. This hydration system is by far the best one I've used thus far, and I recommend it to everyone. It comes in 5 different models and is now also the standard issued Camelbak system in the Camelbak backpacks. So if you're looking for a Camelbak drinking system or other quality products, go have a look at shop.ReconBrothers.com. Thanks for watching, make sure to like this video and I'll see you next week.